YouTube might be difficult for you if you are not any of this. I'm going to explain to you. Now, I see a lot of YouTubers lamenting, complaining that they are doing YouTube, is not growing, this and that. They are just complaining. Now, the reason why some of us are finding it difficult to grow fast on YouTube, I'm going to be giving you two reasons, so that at the end of this video you will know that okay, you are doing everything right. Maybe your time has not come for you to blow yet, or maybe there are some other things you need to put in place for you to be able to grow faster. Now, the very first thing is, number one, because you are not a celebrity. You heard me right. Because you are not a celebrity. If you are a celebrity, people already know you. People already know you. Let's say you are on TikTok, you are on Instagram, you are on Facebook, on Threads, on Twitter, all social media platforms. People already know you, and then you are not on YouTube. Then you decide to start a YouTube channel. You are going to grow. All you need to do is just to make the announcement that I have a YouTube channel, please subscribe. Before you know it, even before you upload your first YouTube video, people are already following you. People are already waiting for your first video. People are already subscribing to your channel. That is how it works. If you are a well-known person, people already know you. It won't be difficult for you to grow on YouTube. Whatever you post, people want to watch it because they already love you, because you are already a celebrity. That is one of the reasons why you will grow faster on YouTube. And I see a lot of people complaining that they are not growing, they are not. Are you a celebrity? If your answer is no, keep pushing. You have to work for it too. Most times these celebrities don't really put in more effort like the way we that are not celebrity we do. You get bought through your YouTube channel. You can become a celebrity. You get, so all you need to do is to double, triple the effort you are putting now, and keep posting. Be showing up. It's not today they see you, before they are seeing you again, it's 3 months time. No, be showing up. Your own celebrity can start from YouTube. Then from YouTube they will know you on Instagram. Or do you get? So that is how it works. Now, secondly, if you are not close to a celebrity, I keep saying it, you don't need to be a celebrity before you can blow on YouTube. See, it's just for you to know somebody that knows somebody. There are some people on this YouTube channel, I don't really want to start mentioning names, like it's just like family, sisters like this. You will see, let's say, okay, let me just name them like Sister A, Sister B, Sister C and D. Sister A and B are on YouTube. They have been building their YouTube channel for years, and now they are monetized. They already have a big fan base. People already know them. People are always waiting for their next YouTube video. And then their sister, who is Sister C, wants to start a YouTube channel. Do you know what they do? They just go to their own channel, like Sister A and B. They go to their channel and make a video and say, they can even invite their sister over. Sister C, they will invite her over and say, please, this is my sister, her name is Sister C. Please, she's starting a YouTube channel. I'll be putting a link in the description box. Please click on it and subscribe. Please support her if you know you love me. Hey, see, this one is not like I made research or anything. I've seen it happen on this YouTube. I've seen it, and before you know it, followers from this person's channel, they will start subscribing and they will start watching the videos. Immediately that person starts posting. I have forgotten the word they used to describe something like that. I've forgotten. So it works. It works. So if you are about starting a YouTube channel, you know somebody that is already big on YouTube, that you know that this person can push you out a bit. Please meet the person. Tell the person to support you, that you want to start. There's nothing wrong. But you also know that you have a lot of work to do. The person will give you publicity, but the work still remains in your hand, because that person that gave you that publicity will not be coming to do the video for you. You will be the one to do the video, and you will be the one to edit the video. You will be the one to post it. So all you need to do is to make sure that the videos are interesting, so that the viewers that came from that your other person's channel, they will enjoy it. From there, your YouTube channel will start growing. You get? So the points I listed are, number one, is either you are a celebrity, people already know you from other social media platforms, or number two, you are close to a celebrity, and then that celebrity will give you a shout out and we just talk to his or our audience about you, and then from there your growth will start. But if you are not a celebrity, or you are not close to a celebrity, please, You have to work for your YouTube channel. Nobody will do it for you. I'm very serious when I see, nobody is going to do it for you. I'm telling you now, nobody. You have to put in the work. You have to work for it. YouTube is difficult. Don't allow anybody to tell you otherwise. Oh, YouTube is difficult, but it is also easy. With God, all things are possible. It is difficult because before you start, you reach that your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then after the monetization, another journey begins where you start making videos and making money. It's not easy, but if others are succeeding on YouTube, you too can succeed. So this is not the time for you to give up. Keep posting, keep doing what you love, keep entertaining your people, keep informing them, keep educating them. One day everything will work out for your good. You will become a celebrity here. People will start telling you, please, oh, tag me, please do this, please. Do you understand? So keep posting. One day you too will become a celebrity on YouTube. Trust me, believe me when I say so. Become your own celebrity, and then people will start telling you, please, oh, I want to start YouTube. Oh, please, can you tag me? Please, can you? Do you understand? So it happens. It happens. Thank you guys. We have come to the end of this video. If you know you enjoyed this video, please kindly like this video, share this video and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.